Learner's Activity for Week 1, Quarter 1, Mathematics Grade 1. Comparing a rectangle and a square. Rectangle. What is rectangle? Rectangle is a shape that has four sides. Each pair of opposite sides has the same length. A rectangle is a shape that has four corners. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A rectangle is a shape that has four sides and four corners. Each pair of opposite sides has the same length. Here the example of rectangle object. First flag, second door, and the last one is blackbird. Let's study about square. A square is a shape that has four equal sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And four corners. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, let us define what is square. A square is a shape that has four equal sides and four corners. Here the example of square objects. The first one is clock, the second one is window, and the third one is biscuits. Let us answer the following questions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. For number 1, which shape has four sides of the same length and four corners? Letter A, rectangle. Letter B, circle. Letter C, square. And letter D, triangle. The correct answer is letter C, square. And for number 2, which shape has four sides and four corners? Each pair of opposite sides has the same length. Letter A, rectangle. Letter B, square. Letter C, circle. And letter D, triangle. The correct answer is letter A, rectangle. For number 3, choose an object that has a square. Letter A, gift. Letter B, flag. Letter C, banner. Letter D, shoebox. The correct answer is letter A, gift. And for number 4, choose an object that has a rectangle. Letter A, parole. Letter B, pedestrian signage. Letter C, flag. Or letter D, box. The correct answer is letter D. And for number 5, how many corners does a rectangle and a square have? Letter A, 3. Letter B, 4. Letter C, 5. Or letter D, 6. The correct answer is letter B,